Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to be working on the knife handle here in a few minutes. But first, I have to play Play-Doh. Alright guys, so tonight's going to be a really quick video. I'm going to start shaping the handle on this one. So, that one in the water. Here we go. Alright guys, well, I got it, got the boiled linseed oil soaking into it right now. There's a few more little things that I want to do to it to finish it up, but liking the way it turned out. It's not perfect, but I think it's not perfect, but I think it's pretty cool. So, I'm pretty happy with it, and hopefully one of y'all will be too. Yeah, have a good night.